Yeah, so latest version of Myhack just released, the final version, and I'm just gonna install this on my laptop. It's got the RC 4.1 still, so just need an update. I just restored the Snow Leopard retail disk to my USB stick, and there's also a Snow Leopard open. So as you can see, this is my USB stick, and this is the this is my USB, and this is the retail disk. So just gonna close this one and this one too. So it's restored already. I'm just gonna unmount the DMG from Snow, and I'm just gonna run the Myhack installer version 1 final version, which got the new bootloader and some new drivers, etc. Just gonna click next, agree. Sorry for this, it's Dutch, but I will say it in English. Change your destination, that's very important. Select your USB device. Customize, and yeah, the drivers. For my laptop, I will select graphics enabler, because I know it works with graphics enabler and don't get a black screen or a blue or whatever else. It works perfect, so I select the enabler. It's got the Core 2 Duo, so no need for the chocolate kernel. Apple PS2 controller needed, because it has a trackpad and the internal keyboard, which are on PS2 devices. IO8 and Family Text needed that too, because without that I can't use Snow, because I don't have the option in the BIOS to set the devices to EHCI, and I disabled the sleep text, because when I set sleep on this new text, and when I reboot, never can go into Snow again. And so my laptop does not work. It really doesn't work with this text. So I'm gonna add one later. So this will do it for the installation. Remember to chocolate kernel, use that with the AMD processor, a Pentium 4. It's also down here, i5, etc. So yeah, these settings are good for my laptop. I don't know what you have kind of systems, but I think this will run on most systems with a Intel board, Intel processor like Core 2 Duo, Core 2 Quad, and Core i7, and some the graphics enabler does work on the latest NVIDIA 8 series, 9, and 200 series. All the information is also on the website from Myhack, the creator from Myhack. Yeah, just gonna click install, and I have to type my password, and just press OK, and it's gonna write to the USB stick all the files, the bootloader, and the texts needed to start the installation from my Snow Leopard. It's gonna take about 2 minutes, 1 minute, and just hang on a second. Almost done. Nearly done. Less than a minute. Almost done. So in case to do this, I said before in my earlier video, you need to be already in the OS X, you know. It's logical, because you can't run you can't do these processes on Windows. You need to be in Leopard, on Tiger or higher to do this. I think Panther and Puma and Cheetah don't work with this. So you need like G4 iMac or later, or a G3 will also run Tiger, I think, or a Hackintosh. You need to be in OS X to do these these steps from Myhack. Of course, Myhack is one of the thousands ways to install Snow Leopard on a PC. But for me, it's a very simple method, and I think also for you guys. So yeah, it's almost done. My main system, I also have RC 4.1, so I need to update one later. But now it's done. For me, there's one final thing to do, and maybe also for you. Right now, with the graphics enabler, it still doesn't work. It gives me low resolution. So I'm going to extra folder and Apple.com boot list. I open this with a text editor, and as you can see, hang on. Hang on a second. I opened it with the wrong shit, I think. Yeah, other, and select. Let me see, text editor, and you see up here PCI root key and then string. For me, I have to change this to 0. And then the graphics enabler works for me, but I don't know how it's for you. I don't know. So I have to make a copy of this because I can't write. Then I open this with text editor. Scroll down and check the program. It's up here, and then I change this 1 to a 0. And I save this, and then I drag and drop this into the extra folder, and I replace it. And now, as you can see, it has a 0. Now let me show you. You see string 0 string. So now it works on my NVIDIA onboard on my laptop. So now I'm done. When you installed Snow Leopard, you have to run the Myhack installer again on your Snow Leopard partition with the exactly same texts you've used, and maybe you have to change the COM Apple boot list again in order to make graphics enabler work. So you can just unmount the USB stick and put it in your device, boot up, and install Snow Leopard. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and see you back later.